Here's my 30-inch piece. This is gonna be my side piece.
Dad.
Bam.
Right
I see you, bud. What you doing, big boy?
you got scissors right there.
Yeah, I know. I got all kinds of things in my tool apron. All kinds of things that are very, very useful for what I'm doing.
What use was that?
Huh?
What use for that?
For this? This is a saw. This cuts wood. See? Right there. I cut a piece of wood. Remember, I cut all kinds of wood.
Wait, the ground down or up?
Yep, this, if you lift this up, let me show you. Check this out. If you lift this up, this is a lock. This is what keeps your saw at an angle. And then if you move it over, you can cut angles up to 45 degrees. And then you set it anywhere you want to. Come here, bud, look. See this arrow right here? That tells you what angle you're at. When you see right here, it says 45. We're at a 45-degree angle. So if we lock this down, and we slide this over a little bit, I'll show you. Make sure it's locked down. We're at 45 degrees, okay? We'll bring it all the way down here, like that. And we'll move this stop block. That way we're going to piece of wood that I'm going to use. Leave it alone. See, watch. Make sure it's still there. I won't cut myself. Come back over here. Come on. Stand right here. Back up a little bit. Hey. You watching? See how that works? Look right here. You see how this comes down and flip it over. That side didn't cut very good because I had a stop block for crown in the way. I didn't know that. I didn't think I needed to, but you see how that comes down at an angle? See that? See how it is? It's an angle instead of flat. That's what this does. That's pretty cool, huh? And you put it back on there if you want to. Or you can put it like this. And then the wood where it comes square. It's pretty cool, huh? Oh, buddy. It's pretty cool, huh? You like that? You can cut all kinds of different angles with it. Yeah, this doesn't even mess. Pretty cool, huh? And you can do the same thing with this lever. This black lever right here. You can pull it up, and it won't move. But if you pull it up a little bit more, you can slide it. Either way. And do the same thing as the miter. That's the 30 degrees. Oh, sorry. 31.6 degrees. High five. Yeah!